What if your AI could write your script, scroll it while you record, and publish it to every platform, all in one tap? That's not a fantasy. That's exactly what the BIGVU Teleprompter App does, and it's changing how creators over 40 show up online. Here's how it works. You give the AI writer your topic or a rough idea. It builds you a clean, engaging script in seconds. That script automatically loads onto your teleprompter screen. You hit record, read naturally, keep full eye contact with your camera, and wrap it in one take. Then you add captions, pick a style, and share it to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever your audience lives with a single tap. No separate editing app, no copy-pasting between tools, no spending your whole afternoon on one video. Creators are going from idea to published video in under 30 minutes with this workflow. Your content deserves to be seen and your time deserves to be protected. Start your free trial of BIGVU today and post your next video faster than ever before.